A $25 billion federal settlement has mortgage foreclosure companies bringing some new help to homeowners.
And the nation's 5 largest mortgage banks agreed to terms with 49 states, including Connecticut. Fox Connecticut's Beau Berman joins us now to explain what effects we can expect here at home. Beau.
Well, Brett, Allison, this deal is the largest joint federal-state settlement in history and was completed after intense negotiations with the banks and some states that were even holding out. Connecticut homeowners get more than $100 million in relief, real cash payments to some, and for others, reductions in their mortgage payments.
24 years.
It's how long Lincoln Peters has lived in his Waterbury home. Now it's in foreclosure.
My income is not as good as it used to be, so I fell behind all of my mortgages.
But today's settlement between the states and the nation's 5 largest banks could help homeowners like Peters.
This settlement holds those institutions accountable for their actions.
Actions like fake or missing signatures on foreclosure forms and irresponsible practices leading to the housing crisis that's left thousands owing more than their homes are even worth.
To be able to refinance in that stage is critical.
At Neighborhood Housing Services in Waterbury, Executive Director Owen Quinn sees the need firsthand.
And if you saw the people coming into our agency that are so desperate, their need is immediate, and these dollars will have an immediate benefit to those families.
The settlement provides refinancing at lower interest rates, principal reduction for borrowers who are underwater, and $1,500 to $2,000 in cash payments to those who lost their homes to foreclosure.
If they could refinance from a note in the 7s down to 5.25%, they would save hundreds of dollars a month. These hundreds of dollars would go into Connecticut's economy and help stimulate it.
In Washington, it's touted as the start of reform. In Waterbury, it could be a last chance for Peters.
I'm very glad to hear about that, so that I'm able to stay in my home.
Now, part of this deal also reshapes the mortgage lending guidelines, for example, creating a single point of contact with the bank and making banks explore all principal reduction options before foreclosure.
Yeah, Beau, I'm sure a lot of people are waiting for this to happen. How long will it be before the cash payments go out and the changes are made?
Sure, Brent. Well, George Jepson says that it could be, we're looking at months, not weeks in this case. He is hoping, though, that by springtime, we start to see some of that money come into homeowners.
Okay. All right, Beau, thanks.